2016. I think they call it the Jonas Blizzard. And we are outside playing.
Say hi!
Say hi! My little muffin over there. Hi! Everybody's ready. So of course you know that we're doing the Plank Talk 2016 Plank Talk Challenge. And I'm going to do my plank talk in the snow. Well, this part has been shoveled, but you know, we're still in the snow. And for those who know me, you know that I'm crazy, silly sometimes. And this is where we're doing the plank talk today, okay? So it's about to go down. I'm gonna try to do, like I said, 1 minute and 30 seconds today. Can you tell me what the time says on there?
45 seconds.
Okay. So when it gets to 1 minute, tell me so that I can do, we're gonna go to 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
So here we go, folks. Plank talk, plank talk. Make sure they see me. Tell me when.
Yeah.
Go?
Go.
All right. So this is the Plank Talk 2016 challenge, and of course, you gotta do what you can do, right? This is about being consistent. The snow, so much snow out here, and we're all having fun. Anaya, Mommy's doing plank talk today. You want to tell everybody hello?
Yeah.
Come say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Yeah, so, like I said, okay, I'm feeling snow on me. Hey, where's the camera lady? Camera lady?
I'm right here.
So what's the time we got?
We have 1:51.
Okay, so we're gonna keep on going. This is a little harder than I thought, but we're still gonna watch out, Anaya.
Watch out, Naya. Watch out, Naya.
So again, this is about being consistent,
205.
staying true to your challenge, no matter what, right? Yesterday I got a lot of likes because I planked with my little girl on my back, and that's a challenge in itself. I'm just encouraging everybody to stay encouraged no matter what kind of trials, tribulations you have. Woo, you can do it.
236.
I know you can do it. Enjoy yourself. Be safe out here no matter what you do.
Okay.
And I'm gonna try to push myself past the 1:30-minute mark, because you have to push. Thanks, Candice, for starting this challenge and telling us to push past our comfort part. So I definitely did that, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Again, this is my Plank Talk Day 5. Don't forget to join me